In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome. This is a really simple process that will help you quickly access your favorite websites directly from your browser's new tab page. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure that Google Chrome is open on your computer. Chrome is a versatile browser that's widely used for its speed and simplicity, making it a great tool for browsing the internet. Once you've got Chrome open, the next step is to open a new tab. This can be done by clicking the little plus icon located next to your existing tabs, or by using the keyboard shortcut Control-T on Windows or Command-T on a Mac. Once you've opened a new tab, you'll notice a section just below the search bar. This area is dedicated to shortcuts, which allow for quick access to your favorite sites. Now, on this new tab page, look for the plus Add Shortcut button. It's usually located in the Shortcuts section and is designed to make adding new shortcuts straightforward. Click on that button and a window will pop up, prompting you to enter some information. This small gesture is an opportunity to make your browsing experience quicker and more personalized. Next, you'll want to type in the name for your shortcut. This name could be anything you find meaningful or easy to recognize, something like work email or news site. It's entirely up to you, but make sure it's something you'll easily associate with the website you're about to add. This name is what will appear on the new tab page below the shortcut icon, so clarity is key. After you've decided on a name, move on to the next field where you'll need to enter the URL, which is the web address of the site you'd like to save. It's important to ensure the URL is correct, otherwise the shortcut won't take you to the intended website. If you're unsure of the URL, you might want to navigate to the site first, then copy and paste the address from the address bar to avoid errors. Once you've filled out both the name and the URL fields correctly, the final step is to click the Done button. This will save your newly created shortcut and place it neatly in the Shortcuts section of your new tab page. Clicking Done not only saves your work, but also instantly reflects your new shortcut in the browser, allowing you immediate access to your saved site. And there you go. You've now successfully added a shortcut to Google Chrome. This feature is incredibly useful for streamlining your daily browsing activities, ensuring that your most visited websites are just a single click away. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps enhance your browsing experience.